Good morning! Today we are celebrating my friend's birthday because next Sunday is Mother's Day and that is her real birthday. We're not going to be able to celebrate it that day. We are going to go to Cat's Cafe and it is going to be a surprise for her. We shall see if she likes it. Trashland. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Oh, hello! Now my hair and face is fixed and I actually look quite good today. I mean, look how cute I am with my mama jeans and this very cute crop top. Oh yeah! It's a very warm day in Finland. The summer is finally here! Although it's going to be temporary because, you know, it's only May and Finnish weather is, well, not very predictable. But now we gotta enjoy when there is sun and warmth and cute clothes to be worn. And now before I leave I will film you a April book haul. Filmed the video and now I have to upload it on my computer. Yeah. I wish I could do this kind of work as my real job. I mean, as I've said, cleaning isn't that bad, but it's very, very boring, and I get bored so easily. You have no idea. I think I have used it since I was in middle school, so it's my true favorite.